Hi, my name is Joel Greenberg. I'm an attorney at the law firm of Abrams, Fensterman, Eisman, Greenberg, Formato, and Einiger. Today I'm going to speak to you briefly about starting a business. Starting your own business is everyone's dream, but unless you do it the right way, it could become your biggest nightmare. The consequences of making a mistake along the way can be expensive and can expose you to personal liabilities. A knowledgeable attorney can help you navigate the process successfully, and legal fees are tax deductible. Before you even order business cards, an attorney can make sure that the business name you select is legally permissible and does not conflict with someone else's right to use that same name. The attorney will also educate you about the various types of business entities that are available to you, give you the honest pros and cons of each, and help you select an organizational structure that will minimize your tax obligations and best accomplish your business goals. One of the most frequently asked questions is, should I incorporate my new business? In most cases, I counsel clients to either incorporate or form another type of limited liability entity. This protects personal assets from exposure to lawsuits and other liabilities that may arise in a business venture. If you do not set up a corporation, a limited liability company, or other such entity, or if you do so improperly without an experienced lawyer's assistance, you could lose your home, your bank accounts, and other personal assets because they aren't insulated from the reach of your business creditors. Incorporating your business or forming a limited liability entity, and doing so in the right way, will protect you as a business owner and will allow you to sleep a lot better at night. Let me give you an example of how this works. Say that you and a friend decide to set up a new consulting company called Ace Consultants, but without the sound advice of an experienced attorney to help you. You sign a 3-year lease for your new office and a 2-year employment agreement with your new bookkeeper. You also borrow $50,000 from your cousin for working capital. And a year later, the business fails. Under this scenario, you and your partner will each be personally liable to the landlord for the remaining 2 years of rent under your office lease. You will each be personally liable to the bookkeeper for the unpaid salary promised to her in the 2nd year of her contract. And you will each be personally liable to your cousin for the balance of your working capital loan. An experienced attorney would have advised you to simply organize Ace Consultants as a corporation and call it Ace Consultants, Inc., or organize it as a limited liability company and call it Ace Consultants, LLC. In this way, none of these 3 individuals would have been able to sue you personally for the amounts they lost because the business failed. They could only sue the business entity itself. To the extent the business did not have sufficient assets to satisfy their claims, they would simply be out of luck. They would have no legal right to turn around and sue you and your friend for their losses. The limited liability protection provided by corporations and other such entities also offer valuable benefits for successful businesses. Say that Ace Consultants' bookkeeper claimed that she had been discriminated against. The use of a corporation or other such limited liability entity would protect you and your friend from personal liability, since the two of you were technically not her employer. The corporation or LLC was. As such, only the corporation or LLC could be sued and held liable for her damages. Remember, unless all legal formalities are followed when forming and operating the new business, the benefit of the limited liability protection could be lost. A competent business attorney will be able to make sure that you comply with all the necessary statutory requirements, which gives your business a valuable corporate veil against creditors and business-related claims. In short, the business world that you are about to enter is a complicated place. Beware of entering it without a good attorney by your side. Thank you very much, and best of luck.